This is a very, very useful website for you to find keywords that you can use for your titles and subtitles. You can see it is called keywordtool.io, but I'm going to share the link with you. When you click on the link, you are going to get to this place, and when you get to this place, you can see it is directly, this is Amazon. This, when let me type a keyword that represents what your book is all about. For example, you are talking about, let's talk about mathematics. Mathematics, English. So you just click on search. Click on search. Then it begins to work to give you so many keywords and key phrases that have been used to search for books on Amazon. Is that okay? Search for books on Amazon. You can see them. Can you see them? Mathematics for machine learning, mathematics books, mathematics for self-study, mathematics class for the thinking classroom, and so on and so forth. Can you see this? So with this, you know what people are already searching for whenever they come to Amazon to look for books. Is that okay? You know. So with this, you can, if you are writing a mathematics book or you want to start a mathematics project, I can just decide to pick up mathematics for computer science. That can be a book, or mathematics for self-study. So that can be a big project. So I know, and I'm just pick exactly mathematics for self-study as either the title or the subtitle. Are you getting that? The title or the subtitle. So that is the beauty of this. For example, you can also decide to for importation, because importation is a keyword that represents the book you are writing presently. Importation, and see importation and see what people have been searching for. Importation. Do you understand? Let us see what people have been searching for. That's the general keyword I represent. Let's look at specific keywords. Let us look at specific keywords. It's working. Now, you can see. You can see this. It does not really have much keywords that have been used to search for books on Amazon. Importation word stickers. So, but you can still pick a general. There is a general. What is it called? General keyword that is importation. That means if you want to title your book, importation must be there. Common mistakes in importation. That is a very good one. People are searching, but it's not as they were searching for mathematics. Can you get that? So, using this particular website can give you a lot of options about keywords and key phrases and the book project and the book titles that you want to carry out at any point in time. Is that okay? I believe you understand this.